how to recover suspended Twitter account. So if you want to recover your suspended Twitter account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Google or your browser and then search for Help X Center. Once done, you need to tap on help.x.com and then scroll down a bit and you'll find an option or an article which says about suspended account, which is under your managing your account section. Tap on that. After that, you'll land on this page. You need to learn all the rules that guide the account suspension. Like what exactly makes your account suspended and what the reason that they have suspended your account. So you're going to learn about those. But if you want to solve the problem instantly, then you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of file and appeal. You need to tap on that and then it will ask you to log into your account. Tap on log into your account, and if your account is actually suspended, then it will take you to fill up a form section. You need to go and fill up the form. You need to enter your username, your email address, and then the description of the problem, what you're facing. You need to describe. You need to write that, hello X team, I believe my account was suspended by mistake and I've reviewed the rules and understand them better now. I assure you that I'll fully comply with all X policies going forward. Kindly review my account and consider restoring it. Once you send that, X will help you to recover your suspended account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.